Hello, Professor Kusenko's ENG102 class. It's Dan Calandro here once again, helping you guys find some sources for your paper on Hamlet. Last time we discussed the databases. This time we're going to go ahead and discuss our electronic books, specifically our ebrary database. This time, instead of getting articles, you are going to get books, electronic books. Please remember, too, that your professor wants you guys to have 4 to 5 scholarly sources, and that books are generally considered to be scholarly. So if you have trouble finding articles, or you found a bunch of articles and would like to find a book, or you want to find a bunch of books, they will work for you as well. The keyword terms that we used last time, if you find a good set of keyword terms, feel free to go ahead and reuse those keyword terms in our ebrary database because it works exactly the same way. Again, the only difference is instead of getting articles, you will get books. That goes for the Boolean operator and as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at our ebrary database. It's going to follow the same route as last time. We head to the main Mercer website, www.mccc.edu. We scroll down under where it says current/returning students. We click on library services, and it takes us to the library service homepage. Excuse me. Once we are there, we're going to look on the left-hand side under that quick links menu, the same menu that we used for the subject-specific databases. And when we do that, we're going to go ahead and click on ebrary ebooks central. And that'll take us to our database page, our ebrary page here. So now, if you remember from last time, right, if we just searched for Hamlet, we got way too many search results, okay? Mere 21,000. So you guys are stuck inside. You have nothing better to do. Here it is. Go through them. No, obviously don't do that. You'll be here forever, right? So what do you want to know about Hamlet, right? Hamlet and revenge, and right. Let's say all that stuff. Okay, and there, look, now we have only a mere 9,000 to go through. So again, we may want to go ahead and put in somebody's name, a specific thing about revenge that we're interested in, like character, for example. And we can scroll through and see if there's anything interesting, right? So here, stage directions in Hamlet. Is Hamlet a religious drama? Elizabethan tragedy? So there's a whole bunch here that we can go and we can pick from. So if we want, we can go ahead, click on a book. Here, Revenge Tragedies of the Renaissance. That sounds like fun. Click on the book, and it's going to take you to some info about the book. There's usually a description, though it says this one's not currently available. Okay, what a shame. But we can go and we can look at these chapters here and see if there's a chapter that is interesting for us. So if there was one, say, on Hamlet, that would be great. Here, but look, we've got one on the woman's part. That might be interesting. So we can go, we can click on that. Or if we don't see a chapter for us, that's fine. We can click Read Book Online, and that will take us to the cover of the book. So here, let's click on Woman's Part. And it'll take us to that chapter. And we can go and we can scroll through and see if there's anything interesting. We, if we would like, can actually search within the book, right? So let's say, okay, we know we're definitely interested in women's, so we can type in Gertrude. I hope I spelled that right, and see if that's in there. Gertrude. No results for Gertrude. Someone's opening the door slowly. Oh, it's Karen. You did a nap. You did a nap. What do you want to say?
You see him and now we gotta leave him alone, okay?
Yeah. Do you want to record this with Daddy for the Professor Kusenko's ENG102 class? Yeah, you want to talk about Hamlet? We can talk about Hamlet. Come here, we'll talk about Hamlet. They can't see you, so it's fine, but they can hear me talking to you. All right, Chief. Come here. There you go. All right, Cameron, can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. All right. So we're talking about Gertrude, and Daddy spelled her name wrong. So, Gertrude? No, that's how I spelled it before. Okay. Well, we would go ahead and put in, how about Ophelia? Can I spell that one better? Ophelia. There, I spelled that one better. Good job, Daddy. Okay. So here we can go and we can scroll through, and here it's telling us, these little arrows are saying, okay, you can find information about Ophelia or Gertrude, if you can spell it right, where they appear in the chapter. So the little arrow tells me, look, it appears twice on page 78. What do you got, a hairbrush? Nice. So see, there's Ophelia. And we can scroll through our book here with our search results. Nice. Oh, I put the R in the wrong place. Let's try this. Let's try Gerd. No, would you click Cameron? Gertrude. Yeah. Daddy. Do you want me to search for Daddy in the book? Yes? Okay, we'll search for Daddy and see what comes up. Okay. That's interesting. They don't come up in the women's part. They come up in these parts. Anyway, so there's your little triangle. And it'll say here on page 57, Gertrude appears. So what's nice about this is you can very quickly go through this and you can find the keyword or phrase that you are looking for. Okay. So Cameron, what do you want me to search for?
Cameron.
Cameron. Okay, we'll type in Cameron. I don't think it's going to come up, but we'll search for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing's coming up.
No.
No Cameron. Yeah, I'm sorry. Anyway, if you find a page with Cameron on it, you can go ahead and you can use this little nice print to PDF feature, and you can download that page in a PDF format, or you can, wait, stop pushing enter, stop pushing enter. You can click on that and it'll generate a PDF, which you can then, if you want, download or you can print. There it is. You can even do a current chapter. So if you have, say, just a big chapter on Ophelia or Cameron, you can go ahead and just download that chapter. Also, too, like our database, the ebrary database has a little, let me refresh this here, a little citation generator. You can see that there's this little quote bubble there. And if you click on it, where you go? I need the mouse. Thank you. If you click on, no, I want to do it. I'm the daddy. I'm in charge. I'm going to turn it off there. All right. Have fun with the mouse. Okay. If you click on this, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. She's fine. She's doing good. She just wants the mouse for the students. All right. So if you click on this little Get Citation button, it will generate the citation for you, which you can then highlight and copy into your Works Cited page. That's very exciting, right, Cameron?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. Pop-up. Pop-up. No, Pop-up can't help with this. Pop-up was an English major, though. So, all right, we can highlight, we can copy this into our Works Cited page. All right, so that is ebrary. So you guys can definitely use that to get you some help. And of course, just like last time, if you have questions or concerns, please feel free to email, Google Hangout. Again, you saw the chat feature on the website. So if there's anything we can do for you, please let us know. We'll be happy to help you out. Okay, that's it from Dan here. Cameron, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye. All right, we'll see you later.